guys, I decided to do something a little bit different. This is something that I have been planning for quite some time. I actually want to show you all of the products that I have gone through in the last couple of months. Just anything beauty related that I have used and that I loved, or I either hated it and I just threw it in the trash. So what I've been doing is just finishing up my products, getting to know whether I like it or not, or whether I'm going to repurchase it or not. And once I finish it, I just toss it into a bag so that I can show it to you. I'm gonna take them out. I'm not really gonna be going in any type of order. Oh, by the way, I did not do a video on this makeup look that I'm wearing right now, but I did post all the details regarding this look on my Instagram. So my IG handle is Leah Nicole _XX. I'm going to go ahead and insert a photo here just so that you can see the makeup look that I'm wearing right now up close and personal and see all the details. It's really helpful to everybody out there because a lot of people ask me, what did you use on your eyes? I want to know what you're using. I want to use it too. Okay, so that's enough about that. I'm going to go ahead and just take everything out of this bag one by one, not really in any specific order. Okay, so I have so many. Okay, so the first two items that I have in here are a shampoo and conditioner. These are both from Redken. This is the Frizz Dismiss shampoo conditioner. I love this. I absolutely love this. I usually always get my shampoos and my conditioners and my treatments and every hair product at Ulta. I used to shop for my hair products like at the drugstore, but I've noticed that as soon as I upgraded to like more professional hair care items and salon products, that's when I noticed my hair grew really healthy. So this claims that it's going to protect your hair from humidity and that it's going to smooth your hair and get rid of any of the frizz, basically. So did it do that? Yes, it definitely did that. This helped me so much. I actually have naturally really frizzy and curly hair. I hate it though because it's not like one of those beautiful curls. It's just like a really messy, ugly curl that is not cute. So I really enjoyed this shampoo a lot. I really do want to go out and get this again. I loved this. I think that they have it in a new packaging now because I think it's now in a red packaging. But again, this is a Redken Frizz Dismiss shampoo conditioner and I love it. Along with this shampoo and conditioner, I also had bought the mask. It smells so good. So good. It smells so sweet and just so clean. Like once a week I like to do a mask in my hair. I've noticed that once I started doing masks, my hair got so much softer and so much healthier. So I really do recommend using a mask. I'm probably not going to get this one again. I do love it. I absolutely love this one, but there's just so many amazing masks that you can find. So I do want to branch out. I'm not going to buy it anytime soon just because I do want to try others. Okay, so this is another hair care product. This is called the Garnier Sleek and Shine Flat Iron Protector. So this is a straightening mist. It's going to protect your hair from the heat from your straightener. So I use this every single time that I straighten my hair. So I'll section out my hair, I'll spritz it, and then I'll straighten it. Before, when I wouldn't use any type of heat protecting product, I would notice that I would straighten my hair, but it would just look so fluffy. Like, you know, you can see like so much space in between all of the layers of hair that I didn't like. So as soon as I started using this product on my hair, that's when I noticed that my straightener was really doing such a beautiful job. It was leaving my hair so straight, so smooth, and so shiny. So I would definitely recommend this. And it smells so good. So you spritz your hair and it smells so delicious. And it smells like oranges, a little bit citrusy, but it's so delicious. Like, I got this like as a gift from someone in a little gift exchange for Christmas, and I barely finished it. This is a 2-in-1 bubble bath and body wash. I don't have a bathtub here in my house. I only have showers, which is so sad because I love taking baths and warm bubble baths just relax me so much. But unfortunately, I didn't use it as a bubble bath. I did use it as a body wash, and honestly, it smells so good, but I do not recommend these brands for body washes just because I feel like they don't moisturize your skin enough. Like, this kind of actually does the opposite and it dries my skin. I do love Bath & Body Works candles though. I'm obsessed with them. So it's not that I hate Bath & Body Works, just not their body care. This is the Versace Yellow Diamond perfume. I finally finished this after about 2 years. I love this. Oh, it smells so good. It just like gives me memories. I probably won't be repurchasing this anytime soon just because I have a lot of perfumes that I need to go through right now and I really want to get through them before I start buying more. Okay, I have another shampoo and conditioner here. This is the brand Sebastian. You can find it at Ulta. This is the Drench Moisturizing Shampoo and Conditioner. You guys, I absolutely hated this shampoo and conditioner. I hated it. I hated it so bad, and the reason why I hated it is because it's called Drench. When you think of the word drench, you think about moisture, you think about something that's going to give you healthy hair, something that's going to reverse the dryness in your hair. And I feel like that's a complete lie, honestly, because this dried out my hair so bad. I would shampoo and condition my hair, and then when I would get out, I would even try to brush my hair, and I would feel like my brush just wouldn't slide through my hair. When that happens, I know that my hair is extremely dry. So after using a shampoo and conditioner that's called Drench, I was so upset that I spent my money on this. It doesn't work. So save your money, don't buy this, don't be tricked. I was totally tricked. I was like, oh, Drench, that's awesome. I'm actually really sorry that this didn't work out, because I like to give things a second chance. You know, I really try to like what I'm using. I mean, it smells okay, it does clean your hair really well, it gets your hair clean, but it doesn't do what it says it's supposed to do. So that was totally not cool. So I would not buy that again. I feel like I wasted my money on that. I wanted to return it like halfway through the bottle, but I don't think you can do that. So I finished this up. This is the Sephora Dry Clean Instant Brush Cleaner. I love this. You use this to clean your brushes, but what I like about this is that when you touch your brush, it's completely dry. So there's no downtime. You can use your brush right away. I love this. I actually already ordered another one. It's on the way, so I'm just waiting for it to come. This is a lotion that I got from Victoria's Secret. It takes me so long to get through body lotions, but this one I would get out of the shower, just drench my entire body. It felt so smooth and so soft, and this smells so amazing. But the thing that I really liked about this, and it really stood out to me, is that it didn't leave my skin feeling greasy. I didn't like to feel tacky, but this one would dry almost instantly. And so this right here is a little travel size of my favorite skin exfoliator. This is the Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant. After I cleanse my skin, I'll exfoliate with this. And when I started to use this, I noticed such a huge difference in my skin texture. Whenever I would wear foundation, I always looked a little bit bumpy. It didn't look so smooth. It just looked like I had really dry skin. I felt like the layer of dry skin that was sitting on my face was just completely removed. It made my skin look so bright. It actually brightens your skin. It says here that you will achieve brighter, smoother skin, and that is completely 100% true. I would get out of the shower, I would use it in the shower, and as soon as I would get out, I would look at myself in the mirror, and I would just look like my skin was so bright and so bright. It was just amazing, like, what it did. I became obsessed with this. I already bought another one. It's a little bit pricey. The big bottle is $65. That's the one that I have in my shower right now. But it's totally worth it. I've never used a product like this, and it's a powder. So what you do is you get a little bit of water onto your skin, you pour some powder out, you mix it into a little paste, and you apply it. You really rub it into your skin. Makeup and dirt is just all coming off. I have actually recommended this to a couple of my friends, and they all absolutely love it. So this is something that I can't live without. I'm always going to use this. I feel like I'm always going to have it with me. It's just amazing. And if you don't want to spend the $65, of course, I didn't the very first time that I used it. You can buy the travel size. This one is only $15, and this will actually last you like about a month. That's not bad. I have a Maybelline Pumped Up Mascara. I go through these things like crazy. I love this mascara. It's so good. I also have a CoverGirl liquid liner. I buy it over and over. I just love this one so much. I always have like 2 or 3 of those in my drawers. Okay, so this is a Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is my absolute favorite concealer in the entire world. I've never tried a concealer that works better than this one. This one is very full coverage. It's going to brighten up the under eye of your skin. For cutting the crease of your eyes, I also like to use it around my brows, sometimes when I'm cleaning up the edges. It doesn't crease under the eyes, and it doesn't look cakey under your foundation or over your foundation or under your powder. Okay, so here I just have a couple lashes. This is the Morphe brand, and this is the Eyeliner from Ulta. Basically, any drugstore that sells lashes is going to carry Eyeliner, and of course the Morphe lashes I bought on the Morphe website. I liked the Morphe lashes. They look really pretty in photos, but the quality is not that good. They feel kind of plastic. I really like for lashes to feel more like mink. I'll always continue to buy Eyeliner lashes. All of the styles are very pretty. They have anywhere from very light, natural everyday lashes to a very full dramatic lash, which is what I like. This is the Milani 2-in-1 Conceal Plus Perfect foundation. I'm in the shade Light Natural, and this is a very beautiful foundation. I do have dry skin, so a lot of times foundations from the drugstore accentuate my dry skin and make my skin just look terrible. But what I found with this one is that it moisturizes my skin. It leaves my skin looking very smooth. It doesn't accentuate any fine lines or any dry areas that I have on my skin. It does give you medium to full coverage. You can definitely build it up to give you that very full coverage effect. And it looks so beautiful on the skin. It's not very matte, which is what I like. It does have a little bit of dewiness, but it doesn't look oily, if that makes any sense. So I do like to put a little tiny layer of powder over this one, and it just looks flawless. Your skin looks porcelain. This foundation just gives you such good coverage. I love it so much. I actually already have a new one. Okay, so this is a moisturizer. Every single day I moisturize my skin twice a day. So this is the Coconut Age Corrective Moisturizer from a brand called Eminence. All of their products are completely organic, and they use things like flowers, vegetables, seeds, grasses, herbs, so many things from the earth. They're very safe for your skin. They're not going to cause any premature aging. This was so moisturizing for my skin, especially around my nose. I have really dry skin, and I noticed when I started using this, it just left it so much more supple, and it didn't leave my skin oily, which is what I loved. And it didn't get oily throughout the day. I know a lot of moisturizers can create extra oil throughout the day, and this one didn't. So I'm actually going to be buying this again. This is just the Up and Up brand from Target. I love these makeup wipes. I had these in my purse, so it's a very tiny one, but I do have a larger one over in my restroom. I use those all the time. They're so good. And my very last product is the Smashbox Primer Water. I love this. I got this in a little kit, so that's why it's the smaller travel size, but they do have the large ones. Use it as a setting spray. You can use it to prep your skin for foundation. Like before you do anything, you can spray your skin with it. You can even use this during the day to rehydrate your skin. If you feel like you're looking a little bit dry or a little bit patchy, you can just go ahead and spritz this all over your skin. It really gives you a hydrated effect, which makes your foundation look so pretty. I don't know if you guys are interested in this, but this is just something that I was like, let me just put this in there to see if anyone else, if anybody has young boys and you do their hair on a daily, every day I do his hair, I use this gel right here. It's my absolute favorite gel. So this is a Johnny B Mode styling gel. This gel smells so good. Oh my gosh. Even when he's like walking around, like people are like, wow, what's that smell? And it's his hair. People think he's wearing cologne or something, but it's just his gel. It smells so amazing. I've gotten rid of a lot of his gels because they just turn into a white dust, and I don't like how that looks at all. So as soon as I bought this one for him, I noticed that it didn't do that. I buy the biggest bottle because I know that we're eventually going to use it up. So that finished, and I need to get another one ASAP. That is basically everything that I went through. As you can see, most of the products are for hair care. It's not that often that I go through makeup products just because I do have a lot of makeup and I don't use the same products daily. So for me to go through a foundation, it takes me like 3 or 4 months. Because I do use a different one every day, if that makes sense. If you like this video, please let me know. If you don't like it, just let me know as well, because I really want to hear what you guys want to see. I really like your feedback. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate when you guys do that. It helps me out so much. Please head over there and go follow me on my Instagram. It's at Leah Nicole _XX. I am on Instagram every day, so if you leave me comments, I definitely do see them. If you DM me, I see them. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video and seeing what I've bought and what I've gone through. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.